In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital downloads on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a digital product, upload your files, and get paid without any hassle. First, make sure your site is on a commerce plan. While the business plan can handle some store features, commerce plans are built for full e-commerce and will give you the smoothest checkout and delivery experience for digital products. If you're unsure, check your plan in your site's billing settings so there are no surprises when you go to accept payments. Next, add your digital product. From your Squarespace dashboard, head to Commerce and open Inventory or Products, depending on your template. Click Add Product and choose Digital or Download. This tells Squarespace you're selling a file rather than something you ship. Fill in the product details clearly. Give it a descriptive name, write a concise, benefit-focused description, and set a clean, on-brand price. Add an image, like an ebook cover or a screenshot preview, to help customers understand what they're getting at a glance. Strong visuals increase trust and conversions. Now upload your file. You can add a PDF, MP3, zip, or similar format. Keep in mind, Squarespace limits digital product uploads to 300 MB per product. If your file is larger, compress it or export a lighter version. If you have multiple items, like an ebook plus worksheets, zip them into a single folder so customers receive everything in one download. Use a clear file name so buyers recognize it immediately. After purchase, Squarespace automatically provides the customer with a secure download link so you don't have to send anything manually. If you want, set price and inventory controls. Digital products don't run out, but inventory can be helpful for limited launches, bonuses, or early bird caps. Otherwise, leave it as effectively unlimited. You can always adjust pricing later as your offer evolves. Before anyone can buy, enable payments. Go to Settings, then Payments, and connect Stripe and/or PayPal. Stripe lets you accept most major cards and digital wallets, while PayPal gives customers a familiar alternative at checkout. Once connected, your store will handle payment securely, and the order flow will trigger automatic file delivery. Give your product page a quick review, make sure your images and description read well on mobile, and you're ready to share your link. That's all it takes to sell digital downloads on Squarespace. Choose the right plan, add your product, upload your file, set your price, and turn on payments. Keep your files organized and your messaging clear, and you'll be ready to start selling with confidence.